Hi, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. And it is another quarantine dance lesson edition. This time that we're going to do some TikTok dances. So my students and I are doing some TikTok things together for dance class because it turns out remote ballroom dancing with your partner is very difficult when you don't live with your partner. So we're just doing some other fun stuff instead. So I am going to do a few quick tutorials on some different dances. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you share it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, let's dive right in. So this dance is going to be mirrored at you when you look at it. So when you look at this video, you can pretend like you're looking in a mirror. So just keep that in mind as you are watching the video. So we're going to start with the savage dance. Now I am a middle-aged woman, so I'm not as savage as all the little girls that are doing this dance, but you know, you just make it your own and make it way cooler than what mine is. Okay, so the first thing you're going to start with, you can do it two different ways. Some people just do this, where they just kind of bring a hand to their chest and bump forward. They go, huh, and then clap. Or you can, I think they call it hit the whoa, which is this kind of bring it together thing. And my kids say I don't do it right, so you do it the way that you want to do it. So hit, clap. Okay, so I can't play the music on here because of copyright issues. So the words are going to be I'm a savage, huh. And the next part is you're going to put your little thumbs up and you're going to swing your hips, step, step. I'm a savage, classy, bougie. So you're going to come around, hit this, bring your hip around, and hit it again. So you come around, ratchet, hit. So I like to do this little thing with my hand as I come around. So I come around, ratchet, hit, and you can hit the hip again. So the hip comes here and hit it again. So from the beginning, I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, hit. And of course, you're going to be like way sassier than I am. So one more time from the top, I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, Okay? From here, you're going to take this elbow, bring it out, straight, arms, like so. So we were just here, so you're going to hit, out, worm arm. One more time, so we just did here, ratchet, step, out, worm arm. Elbow out, worm arm. If you can't get that fast enough, you can just do a worm arm instead. So the words there are sassy, moody, nasty. So you just kind of pick your leg up and throw it back like you're nasty. It's like one of these kind of situations. Okay, let's try to restart. And then on the nasty part, we go ahead and lift our foot up and then step back. It's called throwing it back. So pop, swing, worm, arms, nasty. Throw it back. I'm a savage, clap, classy, bougie, ratchet, pop, sassy, moody, nasty. So the next part is actin. So we just did nasty, turn back to center, swipe the arms, actin, stupid. And then you just do your little actin stupid thing. You can do whatever you want there. So sploof, stupid, however you want to do it. Cut, stupid. From the beginning, I'm a savage, clap, classy, bougie, ratchet, pop, sassy, moody, nasty, turn, actin, stupid. And the final part, what's happening, shake it, So we go right, left, shake and shake, shimmy, shimmy here. Hand, hand, shimmy, shimmy. You're gonna do figure 8. So with your right hand, go across your body and away. Figure 8. Come to a genie position. Boom, bop, boom. So what's happening? Shimmy. What's happening? Clap up, clap. And then we go to grabbing the sky and moving our hips. So again, acting stupid. What's happening? Shimmy. Figure 8. Down, up, down. Grab the sky and move your hips. 5, 6, 7, and hit. Clap. Thumbs, thumbs. Hair. Pop. Elbow. Worm arm. Throw it back. Acting stupid. Hand, hand. Shimmy. Figure 8. Down, up, down. And then grab the sky and move your hips. We hit the whoa, clap, thumbs, thumbs. Swing, pop, elbow, worm arm. Throw it back, cut, stupid. Hand, hand, shimmy, or figure 8, down, up, down. Grab the sky and move your hips. So that is how you do the savage. And if you want to learn how to look really sexy and sassy and cool doing it, then watch the little girls on TikTok, because this is a middle-aged woman doing it, and I'm just hanging out for dear life. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep coming back. Take care of you. And if you enjoyed learning savage with me, join the rest of my class by checking out #SAHSDance on TikTok.